Welcome to Medica Experience Express. In today's class, we'll be seeing this radiology question from the year 2024. Question was the given image. So they were talking about this image. It shows ameloblastoma. So they are themselves telling that this is a case of ameloblastoma. Now they were asking the reason why these septae, since it's a multilocular lesion, why these septae they are seen in the cases. What's the exact reason for this? Options given were formation of new bone within the pathology, entrapment of normal bone within the pathology, dead bone within the pathology, fractured bone within the pathology.
Hello everyone. So are you a NEET MDS aspirant and you are struggling to find all previous year authentic question? What if I tell you that you will get everything in just one book? My book is out on Amazon and Flipkart. Just check the video for description. It contains all the solutions along with the reason to rule out for your convenience. Get your hands on it today itself and take a significant step towards your success.
Now the correct answer is, okay, so first of all, let me tell you that ameloblastoma itself is a huge topic for me to cover within 2 to 3 minutes. It's quite impossible. So we are just focusing on the radiographic appearances of the ameloblastoma. So ameloblastoma, it's an odontogenic tumor. The most common location is the mandible, and in mandible also the posterior region as compared to anterior region. Then the classic finding is multilocular appearance. Now this multilocular appearance, this can be in the form of honeycomb, or you can say soap bubble, right? So here you can see the extensive lesion. Then root resorption can be noted. This impacted tooth crown of third molar can be appreciated here. Here you can see beautiful soap bubble appearance. The reason for these, you can say septae, which you can see in the lesion, the reason is that since this lesion is quite aggressive and extensive, whenever it is extending, what it is doing, it is involving the normal bone. So whenever there is entrapment of the normal bone within the lesion, this will give these septae appearance. So this is 3D CBCT. This you can see part of normal bone left. With time, it will all be, you can say, vanish, right? So this is the reason why you see septae in your multilocular lesion. So the correct answer is entrapment of normal bone within the pathology. I hope you got this concept now. Thank you.